Welcome to channel. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Imagine having the power of a full-fledged penetration testing lab right in your pocket. This is the promise of a hacker phone, a mobile device equipped with the tools and operating system necessary to assess and improve network security. Ethical hackers can now perform security assessments on the go with the convenience and portability of a smartphone. Quickly analyze networks, test vulnerabilities, and respond to security incidents. Discreetly audit public Wi-Fi networks, identify threats and protect your data. Educate others about cybersecurity, demonstrating vulnerabilities and mitigation. The possibilities are vast, limited only by your imagination and commitment to ethical hacking principles. The hacker phone is a symbol of empowerment and the democratization of cybersecurity knowledge. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a curious beginner, the hacker phone opens doors to exploration and learning. Kali Linux is a Debian-based Linux distribution designed for penetration testing and digital forensics. It's packed with hundreds of tools for security professionals and enthusiasts. From network analysis to password cracking, it provides a comprehensive suite of utilities. It's the go-to platform for ethical hackers and security researchers. Developed by Offensive Security, it's constantly updated with the latest tools and vulnerabilities, ensuring users always have access to cutting-edge resources. The open-source nature allows for community contributions and continuous improvement, driven by the passion and expertise of security professionals worldwide, offering a user-friendly interface and a wealth of documentation. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, Kali Linux provides the tools you need. Extensive documentation and active community support make it easy to learn and troubleshoot. Connect with other users, share knowledge, and contribute to the community. Its flexibility allows it to run on a variety of devices, including smartphones. This portability makes it ideal for creating a hacker phone, carrying your tools wherever you go. Perform security assessments on the go, a significant advantage in today's interconnected world, empowering you to respond to security incidents quickly and efficiently, no matter where you are. Creating your own hacker phone with Kali Linux is straightforward without rooting your device. We will run Kali Linux in a virtual environment, preserving your phone's OS. First, download and install a virtualization app from the Google Play Store. UserLAnd is a good example. Search for the appropriate Kali Linux version and follow the installation instructions. Configure Kali Linux to suit your needs. Explore the tools available within Kali Linux. Use online resources and tutorials to learn and master these tools. Kali Linux boasts an impressive collection of tools for ethical hacking and penetration testing. These tools cover a wide range of functionalities, from network scanning and vulnerability analysis to password cracking and wireless security testing. Familiarizing yourself with these tools is essential for effectively utilizing Kali Linux on your hacker phone. Each tool serves a specific purpose, and understanding their capabilities is crucial for successful penetration testing. Nmap, a powerful network scanner, allows you to discover devices and services on a network, identify open ports, and gather information about target systems. This information is crucial for understanding the network topology and identifying potential vulnerabilities. Metasploit Framework, a popular penetration testing platform, provides a framework for exploiting vulnerabilities and gaining access to target systems. It offers a vast library of exploits and payloads, allowing you to simulate real-world attacks and assess the security of your systems. Aircrack-ng, a suite of tools for wireless network security testing, allows you to assess the security of Wi-Fi networks, crack passwords, and perform other wireless attacks. This is crucial for identifying weaknesses in wireless security protocols and implementing appropriate countermeasures. These are just a few examples of the many powerful tools available within Kali Linux. Exploring and mastering these tools is essential for effectively utilizing your hacker phone for penetration testing. Section 5. The root of the matter. Why Rootless is better. Running Kali Linux without rooting your phone offers several advantages. Firstly, it preserves the integrity of your phone's operating system, reducing the risk of bricking your device or voiding your warranty. Rooting can compromise the security of your device and make it more vulnerable to malware. By avoiding rooting, you maintain the stability and security of your phone's operating system. Secondly, a rootless approach simplifies the setup process, making it accessible to a wider range of users. Rooting can be a complex and technically challenging process, requiring specialized knowledge and tools. By eliminating the need for rooting, you can quickly and easily set up Kali Linux on your phone without any technical hurdles. Thirdly, it allows you to switch between Kali Linux and your phone's regular operating system seamlessly. You can use your phone for everyday tasks and switch to Kali Linux only when needed for penetration testing. This flexibility provides the best of both worlds, allowing you to use your phone for both personal and professional purposes. Finally, running Kali Linux without rooting enhances the portability and convenience of your hacker phone. You can carry your penetration testing tools with you wherever you go, without the need for a separate device. This portability enables you to respond to security incidents and perform security assessments on the go, making your hacker phone an even more valuable tool. Section 6. Staying safe and ethical responsible hacking practices. While having a hacker phone provides powerful tools, it's crucial to use them ethically and responsibly. Unauthorized access to systems and networks is illegal and unethical. Always obtain explicit permission before performing any security assessments on systems or networks that you do not own or have permission to test. Respecting the privacy and security of others is paramount in the ethical hacking community. Focus your efforts on learning and improving your own security skills. Use your hacker phone to explore vulnerabilities and develop your understanding of cybersecurity concepts. There are numerous online resources and training platforms available to enhance your knowledge and skills. Continuous learning is essential in the ever-evolving field of cybersecurity. Contribute to the security community by responsibly disclosing vulnerabilities you discover. Follow established disclosure procedures and work with system owners to address security flaws. Responsible disclosure helps improve the overall security of systems and networks, benefiting everyone. It's a collaborative effort that requires cooperation and communication between security researchers and system owners. Remember, the goal of ethical hacking is to improve security, not to cause harm. Use your hacker phone as a tool for good, contributing to a safer and more secure digital world. Responsible and ethical practices are essential for maintaining the integrity of the cybersecurity community and fostering trust between security professionals and the public. Section 7. Network analysis with Kali Linux on your phone. Your hacker phone, powered by Kali Linux, becomes a portable network analysis powerhouse. Tools like Nmap allow you to map networks, identify connected devices, and discover open ports. This information is crucial for understanding the structure of a network and identifying potential security vulnerabilities. By using Nmap on your phone, you can quickly assess the security posture of any network you connect to. Wireshark, another powerful tool available on Kali, allows you to capture and analyze network traffic in real time. This provides detailed insights into the communication happening on a network, enabling you to identify suspicious activity and troubleshoot network issues. Wireshark's packet capture and analysis capabilities provide valuable information for understanding network behavior and identifying potential threats. TCP dump, a command line packet analyzer, offers a lightweight and efficient way to capture and analyze network traffic. Its simplicity and speed make it ideal for quick network assessments and troubleshooting. TCP dump's command line interface provides a powerful and flexible way to analyze network traffic. These tools, combined with the mobility of your phone, allow you to perform network analysis anywhere, anytime. Whether you're auditing a public Wi-Fi network or troubleshooting a network issue at home, your hacker phone provides the tools you need to analyze and understand network behavior. Section 8. Wireless attacks and defenses with your hacker phone. Kali Linux on your phone provides a comprehensive suite of tools for assessing and improving wireless network security. Aircrack-ng, a popular suite of tools, allows you to test the security of Wi-Fi networks, identify vulnerabilities, and crack passwords. This enables you to assess the strength of your own wireless networks and identify potential weaknesses. Riva, another valuable tool, facilitates attacks against WPS or Wi-Fi protected setup, a common vulnerability in many routers. Understanding and testing for WPS vulnerabilities is crucial for securing wireless networks. Riva helps identify and exploit these vulnerabilities, allowing you to improve the security of your own network and educate others about the risks. Aircrack-ng, a powerful automated tool, simplifies the process of performing various wireless attacks. Its user-friendly interface makes it accessible to both beginners and experienced users. Aircrack-ng automates many complex tasks involved in wireless security testing, making it easier to assess the security of wireless networks. By using these tools responsibly and ethically, you can enhance your understanding of wireless security and contribute to a safer wireless environment. Remember to always obtain permission before testing any network that you do not own or have permission